Hello and welcome to Deepika English Academy. Today we are going to have a look at another prefix, dis. Just like the other prefixes discussed in previous videos, this prefix also helps in making the opposites. The meaning of dis prefix is not or none. मतलब जिस वर्ड के भी आगे ये dis लगा देंगे उस वर्ड का नहीं होना या ऑपोजिट बन जाएगा. जैसे ऑनेस्ट मतलब ईमानदार और डिसऑनेस्ट मतलब जो ईमानदार नहीं है, बेईमान है. नाउ पे अटेंशन, ये हॉनेस्ट नहीं है. दिस वर्ड इज ऑनेस्ट. H is silent. Let's go back to our favorite word of this series, able या ability. अब इसमें एक और ट्विस्ट आ गया है. Ability मतलब योग्यता या क्षमता and disability मतलब विकलांगता. This is different from inability, which we discussed in the last video. If you like to know about the prefixes in, im, ir or ill, you can check out my last week's video. The link is right here at the top in hot link button. So coming back to the difference of inability and disability. Inability का मतलब है ability की कमी है, but disability का मतलब है mental या physical level पे limitation होना. So be very careful while using these nouns. Let us now move on to some more words with this prefix. Agree मतलब सहमत होना. Disagree मतलब असहमत होना, agree नहीं करना. Advantage मतलब फायदा. Disadvantage मतलब नुकसान या खराब स्थिति या कमी. Obey मतलब कहना मानना या आज्ञा का पालन करना. Disobey मतलब आज्ञा का उल्लंघन करना. वो अपने पिता का कहना न मानने से डरता है. He is afraid to disobey his father. Appear मतलब दिखना या सामने होना. Disappear मतलब गायब होना, मिस्टर इंडिया जैसे गायब होना. बर्फ जल्दी ही गायब हो जाएगी या चली जाएगी. The snow will soon disappear. वो अपने बॉस को नापसंद करती है. She dislikes her boss. तुम उसे इतना नापसंद क्यों करते हो? Why do you dislike him so much? Similar मतलब एक जैसा. Dissimilar मतलब अलग या भिन्न प्रकार का. Belief मतलब धारणा या यकीन करना, भरोसा रखना. Disbelief मतलब विश्वास नहीं रखना, अविश्वास. उसने मेरी तरफ अविश्वास से देखा. She looked at me in disbelief. I'm sharing a few more words with the use of this prefix in the description below. I hope this will help you in learning new words and reducing the use of not all the time. If you like this video, consider subscribing the channel and share it with your family and friends. Deepika English Academy is on Instagram and Facebook. Please follow those pages there to learn more new words, idioms and phrases on a weekly basis. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye for now. You have the links to previous videos on this series of prefixes right here on your screen. Do check them out to learn more prefixes. And I have given the links to these videos for you in the description below also. Don't forget to learn from these.